Well, hello, folks. I'm L.A. Little, and this is today's short take. At TA today, it's not just a pretty face. So we actually do have other things here. For example, when earnings come out, one of the things I like to do is build a watch list of earnings so that I can then monitor them through the Stock Monitor tool. And so, for example, if I scroll down to say where some of the bullish is, matter of fact, let's just filter it so we can get to them. So let's look at a bullish breakout, for example. This will filter the list down to only bullish breakouts. And then we can pop in and look at them and see what they look like. For example, FFIV, F5 networks, big breakout. That was the earnings. Signal is giving you the breakout, telling you that you had the breakout here. You had a signal back on that day. You're getting another signal on a breakout today. This is telling you this stock's strong, probably going to get stronger. What's it doing? It's probably going to the highs. So F5 breakout gives you an indication. RSG, let's look at this one. So here's another one. These are signals, just like you would set, alarms at your broker. These automatically adjust depending on what the stock is doing over time. So you never have to reset them. They just keep firing for you. RSG, Ripple X Service. Big, strong volume breakout continuation. So you got a signal here, you got a signal the next day, you get another signal today. Looking at it on a weekly, you can see this one's breaking over the highs, or actually breaking to the highs, doesn't have the volume. So what you want to do is wait on the little retrace, right? And you'll get a bullish retrace signal when that happens. VeriSign, that was the one we started with on the chart you saw. Now, again, you get a breakout here. There was a signal at that point. Another one today. Looking at it on a weekly. This one's breaking out also on a weekly basis. Now, it's possible that you might want to key in on breakouts. You might want to key in on retraces, for example. And if you do that, then you can see those things that are retracing and potentially buys right now. And let's take a look at a couple of those. And here's one, for example, Checkpoint Software. If we look at Checkpoint, we've got a pullback. Well, actually, we got a breakout here, so you got a bullish breakout signal occurred on that day. Now you do the retrace into the bottom of that bar. That's not a bad place to be looking at it. If we look at it on a weekly, you can see the pullback, nice big volume spurt, pretty good setup, That's the pretty face on the TA Today charts. The tools help you find good trades all the time without having to set alarms, constantly maintain them, and so forth. Stock Monitor, nice tool. Till next time, I'm LA.